Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at the Note 20 Ultra versus the OnePlus 9 Pro in a camera comparison. First, let's look at their individual specifications, and this video is after all the updates the OnePlus 9 Pro got, and it is on the latest software. So let's see which one comes out on the top. Now the Note 20 Ultra comes with a 108 megapixel wide sensor with OIS, a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom going up to a 50x hybrid, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and on the front it comes with a 10 megapixel wide lens. It supports 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 30 fps, and 60 fps. It has practically got all the features which you could expect, right from the normal photo, to a manual mode, to a portrait. Everything is there, especially the single take which Samsung has, which captures everything with one click. That is an ultra wide telephoto as well as a normal. The OnePlus, on the other hand, is a 48 megapixel wide sensor with OIS, a 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3.3 optical zoom going up to 30x, a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor, a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. Now that is something which is not so functional. Now the OnePlus also shoots 8K at 30 fps, which is good, 4K as well as 1080p. It would be fun to see what the ultra wide can do with the difference of almost 50 megapixel and a 12 megapixel. And before we go to the camera samples, do subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. So let's get into the actual camera samples, and this is going to be a blind smartphone test. So the first thing you will see are two images, and then the names will pop up, and I've given a 10-second window. So do let me know down in the comment section how many you get right, and if you have any queries, hit me up. I respond to all of them. So the first one, the left one, is the OnePlus 9 Pro and the right one is the Note 20 Ultra. Let me know what you think. And now let's see this one. So here, this is a wide sample again, and I prefer the left image because of the colors and the pop to it, and that is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, while the right one is the OnePlus 9 Pro. But people can have different opinions, so I would love to hear from you. Now let's look at an ultra wide shot where we see the 50 megapixel versus 12 megapixel, and in this also I think I would go with the better saturated image, which is the right one. Better colors there, and I think that is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. So yeah, the Note 20 Ultra gives more saturated images, while the OnePlus is a little more on the real color side. So but I do prefer the enhanced colors here. It makes the subject look better. Let's look at a zoom lens now, and here I think I would go for the right one because that is much clearer than the left one. The left one looks a little bit smudged, but I do think that this is with respect to the focusing. Samsung does it a little bit better compared to the 9 Pro or the OnePlus. OnePlus just captures whatever is there, and if you move the camera, your subject is going to be blurred. So this is something to remember. Now this one is a portrait image. So here, while in a normal circumstance I would I would prefer the left image, but I would really want to go with the right one here because of the 360 degree bokeh which it is giving the subject, which is really good. So the center of the subject is not blurred, the rest of it is completely blurred, which I prefer. But color wise, the Samsung wins, which is on the left. Now this is another portrait, and I would go with the right image here because of the clarity in the subject. The flowers look extremely clear, and that is again the Note 20 Ultra. This seems almost like a one-sided win for the Note 20 Ultra. Practically all of them are winning, but I would say that the colors here look better on the OnePlus 9 Pro, and more saturated obviously on the Note 20. Now this is another portrait, which I think I would go with the right one here because it feels more real, and I think that's the Note 20 Ultra again. So it seems that the Note 20 Ultra is really doing very well, even though that the flagship is almost a year old and we are almost near the Note 21 Ultra, if that's what they're going to name it. Now this is an ultra wide, and I would go with the right image here because of the overall brightness of the image. Though the sky is a little washed out, but the subject is really good. So yeah, that goes to the OnePlus 9 Pro. If you like your sky not blown out, maybe you would want to choose the Note 20 Ultra, but I am going for the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is on the right. So in this image at least, the OnePlus 9 Pro wins for me. Okay, now this one, I think I would go for the right image again. So this is an ultra wide, and I think the right image looks better in colors, etc., all of it. So yeah, again, the Note 20 Ultra. I think the ultra wide is much more clearer, though it is a 12 megapixel compared to a 50 megapixel on the OnePlus 9 Pro. But that's again my opinion. Let me know what you think. Okay, now this is a 30x zoom. The Samsung has a 50x zoom while the OnePlus has a 30. So this is the maximum it can go to. And I really tried to take a steady image, but the OnePlus just wouldn't capture a good detailed image. So this is what we've got. It is a tree, and the Note 20 Ultra hands down wins. It does really well with zooming in subjects. So I think there is no comparison here. Now this one, I think this is a good image, but I think I would go with the left image. So this is a normal wide image, and that is the OnePlus 9 Pro. So that says something because this is a normal wide image, and the OnePlus 9 Pro is really doing well. Good colors, extreme detail, and I think yeah, that's the one which I would go for here. Now this is a wide image, and it was flowing water. I think the right image has done really well, keeping lot of detail. Again, it is the OnePlus 9 Pro. So I'm seeing that suddenly the OnePlus 9 Pro is picking up with respect to the images. So good win there for the OnePlus 9 Pro. And now the next one which I have is not a photograph but a video sample. So it is a 4K 60 video, and let me know which one wins for you here. I think the Note 20 Ultra did really good, but I can't pick between both of these. Now this one is a slow-mo, and you can slow down the video further and see it. But I think the OnePlus 9 Pro wins here because it can take a really good slow-mo, while the Note 20 Ultra has a higher FPS, so it looks as if it's almost like a photograph and stagnant. So whichever do you prefer? Clarity wise, I think the Samsung has done much better. So that's all from the camera comparison, and we're at the end of the video. I think it was a good comparison. The OnePlus 9 Pro did well at the last, so the last images did really well. But in the starting, we saw the Samsung take a lead. Do let me know down in the comment section which one do you think wins here. And as usual, thanks for watching.